So guys, here is another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account, be it a $10 or a $20 account. So long as you can use that account to open up a position on boom and crash, you will be able to grow that account with this powerful boom and crash strategy. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, I would like you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a like. Okay, so here is how the strategy works. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the strategy to catch spike, and then I'm going to be showing you how to use this same strategy to take 5 candles the out of the market. Okay, now for spike catching, this is what you need to know. Okay, let me show you using this example. Now if you want to catch spike with this strategy, and the first thing you do, you see this red and blue moving average here. Okay, now the red line you are seeing here is the MACD signal line, and then the black one is the moving average. Okay, now you are going to allow the both line to get to the 15 level here. Okay, it's either it's going to be below it or it's going to be touching it. Okay, you make sure it's touching the 15 level. Now after, let's say the two of them is touching the 15 level, and then maybe there is a spike on the main chart here. Let's see this spike. Now there was a spike. You are going to see that, sorry, let me take this arrow off. You are going to see that, see, for example, now this is when the spike form, and then on the indicator window here, you see that the black line got above the red one. Okay, but it's not touching the 85 zone yet. Okay, it's not touching the 85 zone. So what you are going to do now is to go in for a spike. Okay, you are going to go in for a spike from this area. Okay, where the spike stop is where you are going to take your entry from. Okay, then what you are going to do is to allow it to continue spiking till it touches the 85 zone here. Okay, once you see that the black line has touches the 85 zone, you close your trade. Okay, it means it has gotten to the overbought level and price will start reversing any moment from then. So you are going to close, and then you wait for another opportunity again. Okay, you are going to wait till it gets to the 15 level again, like this area here. Okay, so once it gets to the 15 level, what you are going to do now is to go in. Okay, go in for your entry. Okay, and your stop loss, let's say you are using a $10 account, your stop loss should be, you are going to be closing it manually, or you set a stop loss below that spike. Okay, so let's say you are closing manually, your stop loss should be, let's say you are risking at least $2. Okay, for each trade you are taking, you are going to be risking $2. Okay, now no strategy is 100%. So let's say there are cases where you are going to lose the $2, and there are cases where you are going to triple or double it. Okay, so you just stick to the strategy. Whatever result it gives to you, just take it like that. But most of the time you are going to be getting winning trades. Okay, so for this example now, let's say you wait for price, it got to the 15 level here, and then you enter from the first spike. Now you are waiting for more spike, and it spike, then it start going down. Okay, you can see this one right here is a loss for us. Your $2 will be gone here. Then you wait for the next opportunity again. Okay, you wait for the next opportunity. let's say it gets to the overbought level here. You can see that there was a spike. You enter from this place, it keeps going down. Okay, this is boom 500. So before it gets that $2, it still spike. You can see it still spike, and then still spike. Okay, this is price playing with your emotions here. Okay, so you got to keep your emotion aside and then just believe your strategy. Okay, you can see the way it's going here. It spike, it went down again, spike, but it eventually went up. Okay, you can see that it went up, and here you are going to be in profit. But once you see that it has gotten to this 15 or 85 zone here, sorry, what is it has gotten to the 85 zone, you close. Okay, you close and you wait for the next opportunity. Let's say this one, it got to this place, you enter from this place, it goes down a little bit and a spike. Okay, this one right here is not touching the 85 zone, so you are still going to hold. Okay, you hold, and then it keep playing with your emotion, but it will finally touch there. Okay, you can see it gets there last, it's touching the 85 zone, and so you are going to close. You make a little profit from there, and that's how the strategy works. It's going to give you like maximum profit sometimes, and sometimes it's going to give you a little profit. Okay, but over time you are going to see that your account is growing. Okay, over time you see you use it to grow your account. Like in this area, it worked perfectly. There was a spike, it went down a little bit, and then you can see boom, there was a spike, and you are going to make a lot of profits from this place. Okay, you can see here is another example again. There was a spike, you take your entry from this place, immediately you take your entry, another spike, and then continue to the upside, get to your 85 level, and then you close. Okay, now I'm using boon 500 for example. Okay, this is for spike catching. So let's say you want to use this same strategy for the regular candle, which is the ticks, the small candle right here. Okay, you want to be taking 5 ticks anytime your condition for this strategy is met. Okay, now let's go to boon 1000. Let's go to boon 1000. Now for boon 1000, for you to be taking the ticks, what you are going to do is, first of all, you allow the black and the red to get to the 85 zone here, okay, which is the overbought zone, and then once the two line is touching the 85 zone, the next thing you do now is to wait for the crossing. Okay, the black should cross below the red moving average. Okay, no, sorry, the red mark this signal line. So once it cross below it, immediately you see it crossing, you take your 5 candles. Okay, immediately you make sure you see the crossing clearly before you go in. Okay, so once you see that the crossing is clear, you take 5 candles and you are out. Okay, make sure you are not staying more than 5 candles. Okay, you take 5 candles, you are out. You can see here after the crossing, 5 candles, you are out. You can see another example here. After the crossing, 5 candles, you are out. After the crossing, 5 candles, you are out. Now you can see that I'm using boon 1000 for example here. Okay, so that's how you are going to be also trading this strategy. Okay, so if you are like, if you want to take the regular candle, you use boon 1000 and crash 1000. But if you want to catch spike, okay, you can also catch spike on boon 1000 too. Okay, but you make sure you go to, like, let's say the boom 500 and crash 500. Okay, this pair, it like there used to be more spike here than the boom 1000. Okay, so it's preferable you use this one for spike catching, and for the regular candle you use boom 1000. Okay, so that's that about this strategy. Okay, the strategy, I've tested it and it's working fine. It's a good strategy. Okay, if you like calm down and use it very well, it's a good strategy. So you're going to make sure you use your demo account, trade with it first, see how it's working. Okay, if it's working fine for you, then you can use it. But if it's not working fine, there are a lot of strategy on my channel. Okay, you can just go check it out, test it. Anyone that is working for you, then you can use that one. Okay, now here is the settings for this strategy. You click on the F icon. Okay, after that you click on this F icon right here, and then you search for the MACD. Okay, the MACD is our first indicator here. You click on it, and then these are the settings. Okay, these are the settings. The first EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Under the style we have 2 pixel, the color is white. The signal is 3 pixel, the color is red. Under the levels there's nothing there. Okay, so these are just what you need. You click on done. Then our next indicator here is the relative strength index. We are using this one for our levels. Okay, the 85 and the 15. Okay, you make the color black, 2 pixel, and then you go back. Okay, then the period here is 200. Okay, apply to is close. Under the style we don't need it, so I make it 1 pixel, and then I choose color white because my background is white. Okay, so if you are using a black background, you make your color black, and then you click on done. Then our next moving average indicator here is the moving average. Okay, you choose the moving average, you search and choose it. Okay, so here is the settings. The period is 1, shift 0, method simple. Then apply to, we are going to set it to the first indicators data, which is the last one here. Okay, this last one here, first indicators data. Okay, so that's that. After that you click on done. Like, okay, under the style we have 4 pixel and make the color black. Okay, so after that you click on done. So that is it for the settings. You go back, and then you have a screen like this. Okay, you have a screen like this, a money downloading screen. Okay, just be patient, wait for the condition, and do the same thing every time. That is the way you are going to be consistent with this strategy. Okay, if it work, fine. If it did not work, fine. Just make sure you stick to the conditions of this strategy. Okay, don't like get scared and run out of the market or something like that. Okay, if it's the $2, you allow it to go. Make sure you are risking what you are comfortable losing. Okay, so that one will not like, you not get emotional and run out of the market or something. So that is it, guys. If you have watched to this extent and you have not hit subscribe, please go hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. Thank you. Silver out.